Hi, in this video let's see how to set up VXQuery in IntelliJ. First let me go to the VXQuery website and I will go to Eclipse setup. Here you can see how to set up VXQuery in Eclipse. So you have to have Java installed and you have to have Maven and you had better install a Git. So rather than cloning from here, let me go to the GitHub website which has the latest VXQuery code, and from there I can get this one and I can go to the folder where I need to clone this. I can go to my documents and somewhere, and I will go to the terminal and I will clone it, git clone, and I will paste this one. So it will clone into VXQuery folder. It will be quite fast. Now after cloning it, we will open it in our IntelliJ. After opening, we have to install the Eclipse code formatter. So it says you have to install this Eclipse formatting template, but Eclipse, since we are using IntelliJ, there is a plugin called Eclipse code formatter. You can go to this here, and that is JetBrains plugin. From the JetBrains plugin repository you can find the Eclipse code formatter, and here you can find the formatting instruction. Let's see whether this has finished down. No. While we are waiting, let's create this Eclipse code formatter. Create this file which will be used in the plugin. For that you need to download this file, but recently I found this this site is not working, so I have already downloaded that file which I will share with you all. So here I have this file. So I will open Eclipse and follow the instructions here. Here you can go to, it says Windows Preferences, and go here, and I have to export it. For that, let me show you how to do this. Go to Windows Preferences and you can to Java and code style, and you can go to format. Here I have already imported. You can go to import and you can go to desktop and you can import this one. You can since I have already imported it as such that, but when you import it for the first time, there will be no problem. So you will select high-res code format profile, and then after that you can export it. And when exporting it, you can give it a name VXQuery. And I will save it on my desktop. I will click OK, and I will click OK here, and I will close IntelliJ. Let me see whether VXQuery code formatter has got saved. Yes, it has. So I will close IntelliJ. I will close Eclipse. Then now we have, hopefully it has finished cloning. So I will open the clone file on my IntelliJ. I'll go to the folder where I cloned it, so I will open it. So my project will be detected by IntelliJ, and so it will start opening. It will ask whether I want to, it will ask whether I want to make the add root. So you can add root, or for to be safe you should clone the forked file. You should first fork this, and then you have to clone this. Since I have already forked it, you have to clone this, because then we'll look at this in another tutorial. You have to first clone it, fork it, and then clone it. But I just added the root. I can fix it since I know what I'll be doing. It will run all the files. Maven will be configured in IntelliJ, and then you will see this. Then to add this formatter, you have to go to, you can see the instructions here. Go to IntelliJ settings or this place, and you can set the Eclipse formatter. Or go to File, Settings. Even if you don't have for this you need to install Eclipse code formatter. Let me teach you how to install Eclipse code formatter. You can go to plugins, you can go to browse repositories, and you can select Eclipse code formatter. But it will you can install it here. Then it will ask you to restart the IntelliJ. So you need to restart IntelliJ. That way you will be able to install Eclipse code formatter. Since I have already installed, I will see it here. So I will go here, and I will select use Eclipse code formatter, and you have to go to browse, and you can, in the desktop, you can select the file you just saved, and then you will have, this will be ticked, so you will have to untick this, because otherwise there will be issues with the imports getting formatted. You don't want that, so you can do this and click OK. Afterwards you can select one file, and you can see how the formatting works. Any functions or no. Since XS data models is quite used, I will go to XSS and let's say take value metaverse, and I will change something. And I will go to tools, and I guess it must be in tools, or is it refactor? I guess refactor. I'm not sure. Okay. Code. Reformat code. Control Alt L is the shortcut, but Control Alt L will be used elsewhere also. You can see after I format the code, there is no version changes, but when I do this, there will be changes. But when I do this, there is no changes because it formats properly. The shortcut for, let me teach you this. Shortcut for formatting is Control Alt L, but when you press Control Alt L, it will lock the screen. So you can go to System Settings and we can go to Keyboard and Shortcuts and System, and you can change this accelerator. I have used Super L, so it's a normal shortcut. So now I can use Control Alt L and format this. Then you can go to the terminal and you can, there is this, sometimes you might need to increase the memory. So I'll copy this one, and you can increase the memory for Java. Then you can run mvn package to install VXQuery. Let it finish installing, and thank you for watching.